In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional logo ready to use on your website, social media, and marketing materials. We'll move from opening the tool to describing your brand to customizing and exporting your final design. First, open the Logo Maker. You can go to the Adobe Express Logo Maker page in your browser, or open Adobe Express and search for Logo Maker. It works on desktop and mobile, but a larger screen makes fine-tuning easier. Once you're in, you'll see prompts that guide you through the process, so you won't feel stuck at any point. Next, tell it about your brand. Type in your brand or business name exactly as you want it to appear. Then choose a style category that best reflects your vibe. Modern typically means clean and minimal, bold leans strong and high contrast, and creative feels playful or artistic. Pick the direction that matches how you want people to feel when they see your logo. Clarity here helps the generator offer more relevant ideas. Now pick an icon and generate designs. Use the built-in library to search for something that matches your industry or theme. Be specific with your search terms to narrow the results and lean towards simple, recognizable shapes that scale well. Once you select an icon, the tool will generate a range of layouts. Browse through them and pick one that feels close to your vision. You're choosing a starting point, not a final decision. Then customize your logo. Adjust the fonts to match your tone. Sans serif fonts feel modern and clean, while serif fonts can look classic and trustworthy. Tweak colors so they align with your brand identity and aim for strong contrast for readability. Experiment with layout by moving the icon above, beside, or integrated with your text, and pay attention to spacing so nothing feels cramped. Try different icon sizes and placements until the whole composition feels balanced. It's also helpful to preview at small sizes to ensure your logo stays legible on social icons and favicons. Finally, download your logo. Once you're happy with the design, export it as a high-quality PNG or JPG file. PNG is great for crisp edges and general digital use, while JPG can be useful for certain web scenarios. Save a few variations if you like, such as light and dark versions, and keep your project in Adobe Express so you can revisit and refine later. And that's it. Your logo is ready to share. Take a moment to test it in a few real contexts, then start using it consistently across your brand.